We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following alert has been transmitted by the United States Government of Civil Defense. At 12:37 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a blue hedgehog has entered the world stage and has declared global domination with himself as emperor of the Sega Empire. This hedgehog has been identified as the Sega video game mascot, Sonic the Hedgehog. This is not a test or joke. Please, anyone listening to this alert is required to take refuge at any fallout shelter. Have a first aid kit, bottled water, and a battery power radio. Do not be a hero and take matters into your own hands. The enemy has an army with advanced technology we do not understand, and you may be hurt. President Joe Biden is being taken to a secure location and will address the nation soon. Please stand by.